Mr. Shanti Bhushan, of course, I had a lot of occasion to brief. I must have briefed him in so many matters, and I must tell you about Mr. Shanti Bhushan. Mr. Shanti Bhushan was very thorough with the brief. I have not seen any senior in my life as thorough with the brief as Mr. Shanti Bhushan. He would read page to page, and he would, because he felt sometimes there may be something in a page which the junior may not be knowing, which is important for the case, and accordingly he didn't want to miss any page in the brief. So he was that thorough. He brought in a lot of integrity in the profession. He would take up, in a briefing with him, the most difficult task was to convince him. And convincing him was winning half the battle. Because we used to literally, have a lot of arguments on a proposition or on a point of law or on a factual scenario where he would agree or not agree. And unless he was convinced about the matter, he would not take up the brief. He would also, and that is one lesson, of course, I don't think youngsters should say that, he would get a little more involved in the brief. He would, I tell my juniors and all my, even my sons, that you should be a little detached also. As long as you're inside the court, you should be attached, but the moment you come out of court, you should be detached. He probably, I felt sometimes he used to keep that attachment even later. He used to feel about the client even afterwards. I did a very important matter on pollution with him. It was an environment pollution matter in Indian enviro legal matter. There was my client, he had been punished for having polluted the environment, and he had been able to convince Mr. Shanti Bhushan and also me that he had not done any such activity, and it was all for some reason. Justice Venkat Chalia was about to pass some very strong orders against the Pollution Control Board, and as a retaliation they had fabricated this report which was filed. Mr. Shanti Bhushan went to go to the village Bichri, I remember, in Rajasthan near Udaipur, and he went to the village to see for himself what is the actual situation there. And the wells which were claimed to be polluted, he asked the villagers that, "Aap log iska pani peete hain?" Bole, "Haan, hum log roz peete hain." Then he drank that water. I mean, that's the commitment of the man. He had that commitment for his client, that he actually drank that water